Redirect laundry gray water to the right place, and you can cut septic loading dramatically while keeping your tiny house system safe. For a tiny house septic system, start by calculating expected gray water volume from laundry, which is often the largest single indoor source, and design your distribution accordingly. Consider low water washers that use significantly less water per load and schedule laundry to avoid overwhelming the drain field. Install a simple lint trap that captures fibers before they enter the plumbing, and follow that with a small sand or textile filter in an accessible chamber to remove fine particulates. Clean these filters on a regular schedule based on use, typically every 1 to 2 weeks in high-frequency situations. Choose your treatment path based on detergent chemistry. Phosphate-free, biodegradable detergents with no antibacterial additives are usually safe for direct dispersal to a mulch basin, while detergents containing bleach or strong antibacterial agents should go to the septic tank so solids and microbial communities can moderate chemical loads. If sending to a mulch basin, size it to handle peak daily laundry volumes plus 1 extra day for storage, layer wood chips and coarse mulch to support soil breathing, and route gray water onto the surface only where plants are tolerant of occasional soap. For small properties with limited land, consider a hybrid approach where laundry gray water is directed to the septic during heavy detergent use or winter months and to a mulch basin during normal conditions using a simple manual valve or diverter. Finally, maintain clear records of products used, volumes, and filter maintenance so you can adjust practices if plant health or septic performance changes. The 3 most common mistakes are letting lint and fibers reach the disposal area, using harsh antibacterial or bleach detergents, and undersizing the mulch basin or filters. Lint and fibers clog soil and filters, so trap them at source with a washable lint filter and empty it into trash rather than compost. If clogging already occurred, remove and replace clogged media and increase filter frequency. Harsh detergents kill the beneficial microbes that break down waste in septic tanks and harm soil biology in mulch basins, so switch to biodegradable, non-antibacterial soaps and avoid bleach. If damage has occurred, stop the offending product and give the system a recovery period while monitoring effluent quality. Undersizing causes backups and surface pooling, so rescale the basin and filter area to handle peak loads and add temporary storage or reduce laundry frequency until capacity is expanded. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to septic and gray water projects. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, product tips, and maintenance routines.